Life is a tapestry woven with threads of chance and choice. Each thread represents a moment, a decision, a twist of fate that shapes our journey. The colors and patterns that emerge are unique to each of us, a reflection of our experiences and the paths we take. We all yearn for those moments when luck seems to smile upon us, guiding us towards joy and fulfillment. These are the moments that make life feel magical, as if the universe itself is conspiring in our favor. They are the instances that bring a sparkle to our eyes and a spring to our step. This desire for serendipity is natural, a whisper of the universe reminding us that magic exists. It's a gentle nudge, encouraging us to believe in the unseen forces that weave through our lives, connecting us to opportunities and experiences that seem almost too perfect to be mere coincidence. What if I told you that you have the power to invite more luck into your life? That by shifting your mindset and aligning your actions, you can create a fertile ground for luck to flourish? It's not just about waiting for good fortune to find you, but about actively cultivating an environment where it can thrive. That you possess a hidden reservoir of good fortune waiting to be unlocked? Imagine this reservoir as a treasure chest within you, filled with potential and possibility. By tapping into it, you can uncover opportunities that were previously hidden and turn everyday moments into extraordinary experiences. This is the essence of lucky syndrome, a state of being where synchronicity and opportunity flow effortlessly. It's about moving through life with a sense of ease and grace, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. When you embrace this mindset, you begin to notice the subtle signs and signals that guide you towards your desires. It's not about wishing upon stars or relying on external forces. While these rituals can be beautiful and meaningful, true luck comes from within. It's about harnessing your inner power and aligning it with the natural rhythms of the world around you. Lucky syndrome is about cultivating an inner landscape that attracts positivity and abundance. Just as a garden flourishes when it is well tended, so too does your life when you nurture your mind, body, and spirit. By focusing on growth and positivity, you create an environment where luck can take root and grow. It's about aligning your energy with the harmonious rhythm of the universe. When you are in sync with the world around you, you become a magnet for good fortune. This alignment allows you to move through life with confidence and clarity, knowing that you are supported by the universe. Just as a gardener tends to their garden, nurturing the soil and planting seeds, we too can create fertile ground within ourselves for luck to blossom. This requires patience, care, and a willingness to invest in our own growth and well-being. By doing so, we invite the gentle touch of luck into our lives, allowing it to weave its magic through the tapestry of our existence. Embrace this power and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Imagine a warm, radiant light emanating from your core and extending outwards, embracing every cell with its healing touch. This light is not just a figment of your imagination, but a representation of the universal energy that flows through all living beings. It is a gentle reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the boundless potential for healing and transformation that resides within each of us. This is the power of Reiki, a Japanese energy healing technique that promotes balance and well-being. Reiki practitioners channel this universal life force energy through their hands, creating a flow of positive energy that can help to alleviate physical pain, reduce stress, and promote emotional healing. Reiki, meaning universal life energy, operates on the principle that we are all vessels of this vital force. This energy is not limited by time or space, and it can be accessed and utilized by anyone who is open to its healing potential. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, Reiki offers a pathway to greater self-awareness and inner peace. When our energy flows freely, we experience harmony in our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. This harmonious state allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. It enhances our ability to connect with others, fosters a sense of purpose, and supports our overall well-being. However, stress, negative thoughts, and past traumas can create blockages, disrupting this natural flow. These blockages can manifest as physical ailments, emotional imbalances, or a general sense of disconnection from our true selves. Recognizing and addressing these blockages is a crucial step in the healing process. Reiki gently dissolves these blockages, allowing energy to circulate freely once more. The process is non-invasive and deeply relaxing, often leading to a profound sense of calm and clarity. As the energy begins to flow more freely, the body's natural healing mechanisms are activated, promoting recovery and rejuvenation. Like a soothing balm, it calms the mind, relaxes the body, and revitalizes the spirit. This holistic approach to healing addresses the root causes of imbalance rather than just treating the symptoms. By nurturing the whole person, Reiki helps to restore a sense of wholeness and well-being. By restoring balance, Reiki creates fertile ground for healing, growth, and yes, even luck. When we are in a state of balance, we are more open to the opportunities and blessings that life has to offer. This state of receptivity allows us to attract positive experiences and manifest our deepest desires. It's important to remember that Reiki is not a religion or belief system. It is a universal practice that transcends cultural and spiritual boundaries. Whether you are seeking physical healing, emotional support, or spiritual growth, Reiki can be a valuable tool on your journey. It is a gentle yet powerful tool available to everyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. By embracing the practice of Reiki, you are opening yourself up to a world of possibilities, where healing, transformation, and personal growth are within reach. So, take a moment to connect with this universal energy and allow it to guide you towards a more balanced and harmonious life. Reiki and Lucky Syndrome are like two rivers merging into a powerful stream. Reiki, with its ability to cleanse and align our energy, becomes the vessel through which Lucky Syndrome flows into our lives. When we use Reiki to clear blockages and restore balance, we naturally become more receptive to the positive opportunities that surround us. Our intuition sharpens, guiding us towards choices that align with our highest good. Imagine yourself as a clear, open channel, allowing the energy of the universe to flow through you effortlessly. This is the state of being that Reiki cultivates, a state where synchronicity and serendipity become the norm rather than the exception. By embracing Reiki, we aren't forcing luck, we're simply creating the optimal conditions for it to flourish. We become magnets, attracting positive experiences and opportunities that resonate with our authentic selves. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to lengthen and your shoulders to relax. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, and let your body settle into this moment. Imagine roots growing from your base, connecting you deeply to the earth. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, traveling down into your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. As you exhale, release any tension, stress, or worries. Let go of any thoughts that no longer serve you. Imagine them dissolving into the air, leaving your body lighter and more at ease. Visualize a warm, radiant light above your head, shimmering with the colors of the rainbow. This light is filled with positive energy, ready to infuse your being with luck and abundance. This is the healing energy of Reiki, waiting to cascade into your being. Feel its gentle presence like a soft, warm embrace, ready to nurture and heal you. Gently invite this light to flow down, through the crown of your head and into every cell of your body. Imagine it as a gentle stream, washing away any negativity or blockages. Feel the warmth spread through your scalp, your forehead, and down your face, relaxing your jaw and softening your gaze. Allow this light to melt away any tension in your facial muscles, leaving you with a serene expression. Allow the light to flow down your neck, shoulders, and arms, all the way to your fingertips. Feel it loosening any tightness, bringing a sense of ease and relaxation to your upper body. Continue visualizing the light flowing down your torso, your legs, and finally, grounding you to the earth through your feet. Imagine it as a waterfall of light, cleansing and rejuvenating every part of you. With each breath, the light grows stronger, brighter, dissolving any blockages and restoring balance to your entire being. Feel this light filling you with a sense of peace, luck, and positivity. Know that you are now aligned with the energy of luck and abundance, ready to attract all the good things life has to offer.